Price of a product is cheap doesn't mean that the product quality is bad. And just because it's sasta hai, I have to buy it with my hard-earned money. No, it doesn't mean that as well. Research before buying. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review this Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. And yes, I am three websites says that this is suitable for all skin types. So I am going to talk to you about my experience with this Rose Hip Serum and what are the claims, what this product does and what not. So yeah, if you are interested, then subscribe, press the bell icon if you haven't yet already, and if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, press the like button right now, otherwise you will forget. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So let's talk about the packaging. First, this is the outer packaging, which is a cardboard box packaging, and this is the inner packaging, which is like this dropper mechanism is there. This is not glass, this is not plastic. I'm not sure about the material of the bottle, but yeah, this is the dropper mechanism, and I have to say that the dropper mechanism works pretty well. So this is the 10 ml bottle, which retails for rupees 215. They also have this 30 ml bottle, but if you are not new to my channel, then you know that I always prefer buying the smaller one when I'm buying anything for the first time. You will get this at Purplle.com or Purplle app pay, as well as Amazon Pay, and on Good Vibes official website as well, and sale to chalta rehta hai, so you might end up getting this under rupees 200 as well. Now the packaging says that this has got no parabens and this is a cruelty free product, which is a good thing. Expiry date of this is 24 months from the date of manufacturing. Yeah. Months back I posted this video where I have shown you that I purchased this product, so I have tried and tested this well, and I have my opinion about this product. Talk about the ingredient list. So they have used rosehip oil, sesame oil, almond oil, vitamin E, jojoba oil. So they have used a lot of oils in the serum. Let me show you the texture of this product. The texture of this is neither too oily nor watery at all. Three websites, which are goodvibes.com, Purplle.com and Amazon. These three have mentioned that this is suitable for all skin types, but nothing of that sort is mentioned on the packaging. Yes. Talking about my experience, my skin is oily and sensitive. Due to weather change, my skin sometimes becomes combination sensitive as well. So when I used this product for the first time, the next morning when I woke up, I actually broke out. I don't think this is going to be suitable for oily and acne prone skin type, because this has got so many oils in it. Like, I've tried and tested this on my family members' skin. They are normal to dry skin type. उनके चेहरे पे कोई react नहीं किया था. उनके चेहरे का जो skin है, कोई वैसा react नहीं हुआ जैसे मेरे skin पे हुआ था. Sure whether they have used fragrance or not, because they have not mentioned here on their packaging. But I feel there could be some sort of fragrance that they might have used. Let me read out the benefits that they have mentioned. So they mentioned that one of a kind face serum that maintains skin's elasticity and smoothness, infused with rosehip extracts to brighten even skin tone for a glowing complexion. So there are four claims basically. The first one is maintaining skin's elasticity. The second one is giving a smooth effect to the skin. The third one is to remove, hyperpigmentation, and the fourth one is glowing complexion. To be very honest, I'm not very sure whether this helps in maintaining skin's elasticity and also to remove hyperpigmentation or not, but yes, it gives a smooth effect. Once you apply it, it gives a very smooth and glowing effect to your skin. So they have also mentioned the direction of how to use it. You have to use it 2 to 3 drops and all over your face you have to apply this. And of course this is an affordable product, because you're getting anything that contains rosehip, and that too at this price in the market. But I'm not very sure about the fragrance, whether they have used it or not. That's all in my today's video. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon if you haven't it already, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.